What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to go over another taste testing video with you guys. Mike's going to taste test sous vide egg bites, uncured bacon, and 3 cheese. Let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We'll get on the grind and improve your mind. So, in this video, we're going to go over egg bites right here, as you can see. Egg bites, uncured bacon, and 3 cheese. Yep, so that's that. So these, I'd like you to read it off.
Let's see. There's only a few ingredients that I see. It's got a bunch of bolded letters, so we're just only going to talk about those right now. It's got cage-free eggs, which is good. It's got cottage cheese, white cheddar cheese, unsalted butter, uncured bacon, rice starch, cornstarch, salt, and hot sauce. So, you know how we usually are. We like, the less ingredients, the better. To me, the amount of, it's got what? It's got 3 different cheeses, which it said it does. So, it was already going to have at least 4 ingredients because of the egg and then the 3 cheeses, right? And then you got the bacon, which is good. So that's another 4. Then 5 is the butter. And then the rice starch, don't know too much about it. If we find any...
Rice starch is not one of the healthiest things, I think, but it's not totally horrible for you either, so it's kind of like mid.
We'll do some research, and we'll put up some information on the screen for you as we're talking right now, so you understand rice starch. And then there's cornstarch, which really isn't the greatest either.
I don't like corn, but it's not too bad. There's, per 2 pieces, there is 7 grams of carbs, 1 gram of sugar, 1 grams of fiber. So maybe like 6 grams of carbs, which is not too bad. If you're on the keto, it's pretty good. If you're on carnivore, probably still not good. Even though it's mostly, the rice starch, so it wouldn't be full carnivore, but it is keto. It seems to be keto so far. Yeah, and then there's the salt and the hot sauce. I'm not a big hot guy. I'm not a big spice guy. I'm very vanilla dude. So we'll see how it actually fits in with the taste. And we're gonna cook it up, and I'll have to try right now. All right, guys. So in here, I got the 2 egg bites that are per the serving, so I'm going to now try it out. And so these, you cook these just by putting them into the microwave for like a minute. You can put them in the oven too, but I think the quickest way is you can put it on the microwave for 1 minute. Yeah,
so you could do whatever works for you, whatever floats your boat. It should come out all the same regardless.
Looks like it was easy to put your fork into, very easy to cut off.
Very easy. Look at that. Hold up.
Put it towards the camera so you can see.
Yeah, so that's what the inside looks like right here. I see a bunch of different cheeses in there. Some bacon is sticking out. I'm definitely not eating this entire thing in my mouth at once, but I've already gotten a little sneak peek. All right, so let's try it out. Interesting. I don't think I actually got any bacon in that bite. Okay. That's not bad at all, actually. I understand why you're addicted to these. They're pretty,
It was $14 at Costco for this thing.
For the box?
Yeah.
Oh. How many are in the thing?
5 times 2, so 10.
So 10 of these is $14? Yeah, for the price, I think it'll be fine. It's not like you're gonna eat all of these at once. But, they're actually pretty tasty. If it wasn't for like the cornstarch and the rice starch, I think this would probably be like a godsend. Like everyone should be eating these, I say, like, depending on your dietary habits and what your body can actually process, I say you should, if you need a breakfast or like a little snack to get you by, I think these are probably one of the more healthier things to go for. And at least with the taste. Tastes great. A lot better than that Magic Spoon cereal bar. You can watch that video if you haven't already. That didn't taste as good, but this actually tastes a lot better.
The first question is 1 out of 10. What would you rate these?
I'd probably rate these a good 6 to 7 out of 10. I'd say I'm only putting it low like that because of the ingredients. I feel like with these ingredients, like the cornstarch and the rice starch, granted, we probably have already put up the information on those, on if they're actually bad or actually good for you on the screen earlier. But to me, without knowing on the information, I'm kind of held back only because I feel like those things can make you addicted to these, because I'm already wanting more of them right now, and I just finished eating them, and I kind of want to have more of those. And I have a good feeling that it probably is because of those ingredients. It tastes great. Honestly, it tastes really good. If I was like going to work early in the morning, and I wanted to get something to eat to get just to get me going. If I was gonna do like 2 meals for the day, that'd probably be the thing that I'd eat in the morning before going to work. Would probably be one of those, like those 2 egg bites. And so with me, I recommend actually those egg bites to anyone that would want to try them out.
Yeah, guys. So are these all gains approved?
Very much so. They are all gains approved.
Yeah, guys, so there you have it. Egg bites, go get them. They're at Costco, or you can find some at ShopRite too. There's different kinds of brands. So yeah, they're pretty good. Good snack or a good little breakfast if you're in a hurry. Give them a shot. We approve of them, so let us know what you guys think in the comments section. Let us know your thoughts below. Get the conversation going. Hit the like button on the video if you've not already. Subscribe to the channel if you've not already. Help us out. Donate to the Cash App, link in the description. Helps us towards the equipment and to the funds for this channel. And with that said, we're going to see you guys in the next video.